Hi, I'm Mike with Family Handyman, and we have been doing a DIY garage overhaul. We've got lots of really great projects planned, and today I'm installing this VersaLift. It is a storage lift that we are placing in the attic space of this garage here. It is not that complicated, and if you're a handyman, it is definitely in your wheelhouse. When we're done with it, we're going to be able to place our heavy boxes on the lift, push a button to have them come up to the storage space instead of hauling them up the rickety access ladder. So let's get started. I helped myself out by assembling the platform and the door before we installed the lift. First, we cut the opening in the plywood floor from the attic above to install the headers in between the trusses. Once we got those installed, we finished the hole by cutting through the drywall. Then we installed L-flashing in the corners to make sure our platform wouldn't get bound up while it was moving through. Then we moved the lift into position and shimmed the legs up so that the housing was level. Then pushing the mounting rails to the ground, we tightened the bolts that held the legs onto the mounting rails. Next, we're gonna head downstairs and assemble the platform. Then we're gonna connect the two so that this thing can start doing its job. We moved the door assembly and the platform assembly directly below the opening and then connected them with the screws provided in the kit. Next, we dropped the cables through the opening and threaded it through the bracket of the platform. We then used the clamp plate bracket and held the cable in place with lock nuts and spacers. We found it helpful to keep the cable out of the way by attaching it to the lift with zip ties. Then all we had to do was pair the remote with the transmitter and then load up our platform. That's it! The VersaLift works great. It was a pretty easy install and it took us about 4 or 5 hours, but now the homeowner can load the platform up with up to 200 pounds of stuff and not have to struggle up the ladder. And now I can load it up with my tools to get it down back to the garage. For more great DIY projects like this, head to familyhandyman.com.